Look, if not that God is tired of this country, Nigeria, even devil is tired himself about this country, Nigeria. If not that reason, that the blessings that God gave this country, that men without consciences turn it into a curse, which everybody wants to divide and let us go. That's what everybody wants now. If not that this country is an altar of injustice, that it has a foundational error. This lady you watch by my side, her names are Aneke Chinwendu Francisca, a beautiful, pretty, and elegant lady that came out overall best graduating student in microbiology department in UNN. Her flag would have been flying by now. She emerged best in pharmaceutical microbiology, best in medical microbiology, best in industrial microbiology, best in food microbiology, best in environmental microbiology, best in 100 level, 200 level, 300 level. Congratulations, Miss Chinwendu Aneke. She is well endowed, well figured, well loaded. Permit me to use the slogans you want to hear. This is beauty and the brain combined. She is a hot cake among her contemporaries. She was busy building her fortune responsibly, while some ladies are busy creating their misfortune, doing twerking, shaking all the shakables, exposing the tempting areas of their bodies for flies to perch on. After they will say that education is a scam. Watch this lady, the best of the best among equals, Miss Chinwendu Francisca Aneke. I don't know her, but I really want to give her accolade, to give her the credit she deserves. And many of you are saying that education is a scam since you came out to no job. Yes, we have high rate of unemployment, but I must tell you, there are jobs. People retire from different positions, others die. There are vacancies, not to compare with unemployment rate we have, but some companies don't make it open because the positions require skillful, intelligent, responsible, and the God-fearing persons to secure such reputable positions. You cannot see vacancy on the board in the open again. No, but people still have positions they occupy. The vacancies available are kept for serious-minded and the forward-thinking fellows, not those who are swimming in the ocean of iniquities and atrocities. They want people who can make a meaningful progress to the growth of the companies. Congratulations, my dear. Please share this video so others will learn. In the midst of multitude who are corrupt, we still have the good ones. But before you see them, you will have patience. My name is Brother Paul Chibo. May God bless you.
The best for